Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make a jackfruit smoothie. Start by trimming and seeding the jackfruit pieces, then chop into bite-sized chunks and freeze for texture. Measure 1 cup jackfruit, 1 banana, 1 cup milk or plant milk, and a tablespoon of honey or maple syrup. Blend until smooth, adding ice for thickness or water for a lighter pour. Taste and adjust sweetness, then serve chilled and enjoy tropical flavor. To prepare ingredients, gather 1 cup chopped jackfruit, a ripe banana, 1 cup milk or plant milk, 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup, and ice if desired. Peel and chop the jackfruit, removing seeds and core, then freeze for best thickness. Measure everything before blending to streamline the process. If you like protein, add a scoop of your favorite powder. Blend until smooth, then pour into a glass and add garnish. When blending, start on low to combine ingredients, then increase to high for about 45 to 60 seconds until silky. If the mix is too thick, add water by tablespoons. If too thin, add frozen jackfruit or ice. Try lime zest for brightness, cinnamon for warmth, or spinach for a nutrient boost. All blend well with jackfruit flavor. Pour into a chilled glass, stir gently, and enjoy a refreshing, tropical smoothie moment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.